This game is 21s, and what you're going to have is two teams of X amount of players. So on this diagram I've got 6 players, but if you had more players in the room you could have 8. You could have 3 teams of 6, but essentially they all need to stand behind a cone, and it's blue team versus red team. So like everyone is on the blue team and everyone's on the red team behind them. What will happen is the coach from the middle will feed out to a player. That player can then shy at either stump, and then they will then send that ball back to the other set of stumps. You've got to back up, and then the last person will throw the ball back into the coach. If you hit the stumps, you're going to get 2 points. If you get a clean round, you get 1 point. And if it's a fumble, you change teams, and you're going to play up to a certain amount of points. So let's say scenario 1, the fumble was made, the team swap over, the orange line goes down to the bottom left, he throws it up to the middle, back down to the bottom right, and then back into the coach. So here are some examples now. So the ball's got hit out, good bit of fielding, hits the stump, so gets 2 points for that, ball picks up cleanly, and then back in, so they'd get 3 points for that. Part of this is if you do it well, you stay on. So no fumble, you stay on. If you fumble, you switch teams. Clean round into the coach, 1 more point. Here, there's a fumble, so the teams will change over, and again another clean round for an extra point. You can play this up to as many points as you see fit for the individuals in front of you, and depending on the surface. So if the surface is very bobbly, it's going to be difficult to pick it up cleanly. You may not play to as many points, but if it's a good surface, good standard, you may play to 21, 12, 7. You may just need to work it out for your age group and your gender.